my name is Christian Madsen and I'm the Operations Manager here at Halcol Energy, the largest installer of solar systems on the Sunshine Coast. As part of our customer information video series, I want to talk today about issues related to yield, or the amount of power generated by your system. There are a number of factors which can affect the performance of your solar system. Some of these may include array design, installation, orientation, inclination, excessive heat, shading, panel cleanliness, and other maintenance issues. Your system requires a minimum operating voltage, which may not be achieved early or late in the day due to the reduced intensity of the sun. Solar is a dynamic energy source, meaning that it can dramatically change throughout the day, weeks, and months. So taking a long-term view of your power generation is most important, rather than at a single point in time. So let's take a look at some of these performance-related issues in more detail. Array design is a process of equipment selection based on the preliminary assessment of your building and its position on the block. When our installers arrived on site, adjustments to your design may have been implemented in accordance with the roof profile and building layout. These amendments may have accounted for a reduction in power generation. The orientation and inclination of your installed solar power system can also affect the output. Ideally, we would have looked to install your panels facing due north and at a roof angle of 24 degrees to maximize system efficiency. However, due to the physical layout of your building, this may not have been possible. Excessive heat is another area of consideration here in Queensland. The performance of your system is directly related to the operating temperature of your solar panels. Reduced airflow around these panels due to green waste buildup from nearby trees is a major factor, as are vermin and nesting birds. Continued neglect of this issue may also be a potential fire hazard. An inspection of your roof panels should be conducted prior to calling us. But if you don't feel comfortable getting up to have a look, then please contact us to book a service call. Shade is by far the most common cause of reduced power generation. It can occur rapidly with cloud cover, or much slower over years as those big trees start to impede the view of the sun. Buildings and other structures may also be responsible for shading and will reduce sunlight on your panels. Even one panel partly shaded will have a dramatic effect over the overall performance of your system. And don't forget seasonal variations as the sun sits higher or lower in the sky. So please be sure to check for obvious causes of direct shading on your panels throughout the year. Panel cleanliness and maintenance is another area of consideration, which will be addressed in more detail in another video within this series. After running through these troubleshooting steps, and you still find that your system is consistently underperforming over a significant length of time, please contact us to arrange a service call. Thank you.